Beautiful.
I know. And in less than a minute. And see how close and even the stitches are?
Beautiful.
I know. From now on, all my clothes will be perfect. Made from a machine. No more handmade clothes.
Rabbi, the rabbi.
Look, Rabbi, my new sewing machine.
Mazel tov. Rabbi, is there a blessing for a sewing machine?
There is a blessing for everything. Amen. The baby! How is the baby?
Wonderful, Mama.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I came for the shirt. It's ready.
See, it's my new sewing machine.
I see. Congratulations. Thank you. Good day.
So, how does it work?
You see, it's an amazing thing. You work it with your foot and your hand.
I will. But I'm afraid.
Papa, let me talk to your
No, that would